We're not doing that. You're a bad boy. Come on.
You know the deal. Come on, up a jump. Yes. When I say up, you go, go, go. Whoop, 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 whoop. Sorry, everybody, just got their shoulder booty. Hey, that's where to go. I love how little Boo climbs so
Much different from them. Time for lunch, guys. Little Boo. Little girl. Little boy. He's a baby, huh? Hims is waiting right now, because Hims wants to go up. You can go up, come on. Come on, you go up. Yes, you going right up. Whoopsie-doo. Boo's could do, and he can too. Whoop. Aw, are they leaving you out, Mama? Is them leaving you out because they're lovey? Yeah. Oh, you want a drink? You want to drink? Yeah? You need a drink? Yeah. Yeah, Mama. You don't want a drink. You want attention, huh? Good morning. Shh. Don't wake the little. He's still wrapped up. Look at this lovely visitor. I walked out to the garden, and he's just staring at me. That's why I brought him some lettuce. You gonna come eat it? I don't want to chase you, little boo-boo. Come on, Bun-Bun. For some, so you can get some perspective, that's my gate, right there. Meaning he's about maybe 12 feet from the gate. Oh, I think he might be getting ready to take off. He looks so gorgeous. Did someone lose their pet rabbit? Look at the fluffiness on him. This does not look like the regular rabbits that come around in the wild up here. I don't know though. He doesn't like it when you watch him eat. Uh-oh, now he knows that you're watching. It's okay, Boo, just eat. Don't worry about the phone. He said, no, I'm done now. Get out of here. You gonna go attack stance now? Yeah? Hurry up and eat, because I need to take the bottom of your cage off and clean it. Like, badly. I took the bottom out, but now it's time to scrub that nasty. Before you get sicky.